Hi everyone, I'm MarkPlante and this is MPV Vlogs. Hey everyone, like I said, my name is MarkPlante and this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in, I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. You'll be able to take a look at all the videos that I've done, and it does help out me to be able to make these videos. If you're already a subscriber, you guys know I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Again, you guys are the reasons why I am able to make these videos. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions or any other comments. If you don't like the video, hit the thumbs down. Just let me know why you didn't like the video. Okay, what we're going to do, I got another unboxing that I'm going to do right now. This one here is going to be a quick one. It's very quick. Prime Day was a couple of days ago, and they had some really good sales. There was some really good stuff that I was able to pick up. One of the things is one of the previous videos I just did. I have a new router in my house. The other thing, and I've been looking at it for a while, is some of the videos that I do, I need to use green screen. And I have a full green screen. It's on the side of me right here. This thing is huge. I think it's like 10 feet across and 10 feet long. It works great. The only problem with it is it's very bulky. And with it being cloth, I get wrinkles in the cloth and I have to, it's a pain to set up. But to use it, it is very good. I was actually looking for something a little bit more portable that I could set up in a pinch and just use it quickly. So I had been looking at the portable green screens. They're usually like 4 feet by 6 feet, and you know they're usually around $50 or $60. I did not want to spend that much on a green screen. So on Prime Day, I was snooping through, ended up finding this one here for 25 bucks. So for $25, I figured I'd give it a shot. This one here has both green and blue screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out of the box. I'm not going to show you the unboxing on it because it's just in a box. So I'm going to take it out of the box. I'll set it up and let's see how it works. All right, so I got it out of the box, and I know I wasn't going to show you this, but this is how it came packaged. This is going to be fun. This is 4 feet by 6 feet, so I'm assuming that it's going to just open up. It is by Neewer. These guys are great. Their products are incredible. From lens, the lighting that I'm using now is all Neewer. Even the lighting in the background, the red and the blue lighting, this stuff, they're really good stuff. So we say we open this up and let's see what's in it. I don't know how much you're going to be able to see here. Let me do this. I'm on a 50mm lens here. I'm going to switch you guys over to a wider lens so you can see everything, but you're going to see all the junk in my sides too. So, all right, so we're on the wider lens now, and like I said, you can see my junk. This is the green screen that I was talking about. I have it set up over here. Actually using it in my office to cut my office in half so that the air conditioning stays on that side. So that's what I'm using for it now. Like I said, I mean, you could see wrinkles in it and it's really hard to set up. So let's see how this opens up. Now, one of the problems I had, and it's actually a complaint that I'm having, is this was delivered by UPS. A lot of the Amazon stuff lately is being delivered by Amazon themselves, and I mean, to tell you the truth, the drivers for Amazon are great. I have not had a single problem with them at all. In the last 2 days, I've had 2 products delivered by Amazon. I had a pair of sneakers that were delivered yesterday. When I opened up it was a much smaller bag, but it was the plastic bag that Amazon uses to ship through UPS. The box for the sneakers looked like it went through a war zone. It was crushed. Ripped. It was horrible. It's the first delivery I've had from UPS in a while. Now this here came in tonight and the edge of the box is crushed. The edge, it's torn. I don't know what UPS is doing with their deliveries, but they're horrible. And they can't say it's due to the volume, because the boxes that I'm getting from Amazon delivery, they're perfect. There is not a dent in them, not a rip, nothing. So UPS, I don't know what you're doing, but your service, your delivery service is going downhill horribly right now. But that being said, let's continue to open this. I'm actually impressed. Okay, it actually comes in its own case. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Nope, no instructions or anything. We'll put that over to the side. Really nice. It comes in its own little case here. It's got a zipper on the side. Oh, well, you can see it there. Okay, let's find the zipper itself. Oh, wow. And actually, it's got a hook where I can actually hang it up. That is really nice. Okay, let's unzip this. Okay. And inside the case is customer service information. So if I need to contact customer service, go right through that. So I'll hold on to that just in case. So like I said, this is the green screen. One side is green, the other side is blue. And I have to check to see how this goes, so I make sure I can close it back up. So what you do is pull it out, and I think you just let it go. Yep. Oh, it's bigger than I thought. I don't want to knock over cameras and lights like that. Damn. Definitely not what I wanted to do. Shoot. As I'm hitting my lights up above, this thing is a lot bigger than I thought. Oh, I hope I didn't damage my camera. Well, that wasn't the brightest thing to do. All right, it looks like the camera and the lens are still okay. That was dumb. That was really dumb. But hopefully this is still recording and working. All right, what I'm going to do is let me put the green screen up and let's see how it works. I'll try it with green and I'll try it with blue, and let's see. All right, everyone. So I've got the green screen set up behind me. When you're doing a green screen, just make sure that it's lit evenly. I don't have it perfect right now. I got to play around with it to set it up perfect. But if you have dark areas like over here, it's going to create some shadows, and you want to make sure that you're not doing shadows on the back, because they will show up when you do the chroma keying in Edit. But this is the green screen set up. Now with green screen, my shirt is gray. Make sure that you don't have green on or anything close to it. Gray can be tough sometimes. So, but let's see. Now with the green screen, you can put something up on the screen like that. You can change it like that. You can even put video like that. So that's one of the benefits of having green screen. And like I said, I want to use it, utilize it, utilize it, whatever the best saying is, in my videos. So it'll help out a little bit. For the majority, most people use green. The reason being is actually blue eyes. Blue eyes will actually mess up on when you chroma key. I have blue eyes, but they're not true blue, so I don't think that it's going to cause any problem. So let's take a look and see what it looks like as blue. So I'll be back right after this. All right, so we are back with the blue. Same premise, same thing. Have to have it evenly lit. From what I'm seeing here, it looks like it's easier to evenly light the blue. But one of the problems, like I said, is depending on colors, you check your color spectrum and all of that. It will show up in your shirt. The other thing that you want to make sure is if you're going to minimize yourself on the screen, not to put your hand outside of the green screen or the blue screen. It'll cut out. So like right now, I'm out of screen. If I widen the screen out, it would look funny. So always make sure if you're doing it that you're centered, and you'll get some great green screen. What I'll do coming up soon is I'll create another video showing how I light up the green screen. I have a ton of lights going on right now. I still don't know what the best method is to do the green screen. So I'll play around with it. But like right now, I'm looking through the monitor. The blue screen looks really nice behind me. The green screen had a little bit of shadows, but the blue looks nice. But again, same thing with the blue as with the green. We can put up pictures. Okay, we can put up another picture, and we could put up video. So it looks really nice. It's a good tool to have. So that's it. That basically, other than me almost destroying my camera and one of my lights, that's going to be it for the video. I can't believe I did that. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Be kind. I didn't realize that the screen was going to pop open like that. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. Make sure you hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button. You'll get a notification anytime I put one of these videos up. Just make sure if you're using a mobile device, notifications are allowed. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. And I'll be back to you guys again real soon.